Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple and variable subscription product in a WooCommerce website using the WooCommerce Subscriptions Plugin. This plugin is available on the official WooCommerce website, and the price of this plugin is $279 per year for a single website. Let me show you an example of the simple and variable subscription product. Here I have created a simple subscription product for yoga classes where I'm going to accept monthly fees of $150 for yoga classes. It can be for any classes or any services in which you want to accept weekly, monthly or yearly subscription fees. This is an example of monthly subscription fees. Yoga classes $150 per month with 7 days free trial and $15 as a sign-up fee. So we are going to accept $15 as a sign-up fee, and after 7 days they will need to pay $150 per month for yoga classes. Let me add this product to cart and let's go to view cart. And here you will see that they will need to pay $15 as a sign-up fee, and after 7 days they are going to make a payment of $150 per month for the yoga classes. So this is a simple subscription product. Now let me show you the variable subscription product where I'm going to offer 3 different plans. This is for SEO services and I have 3 different plans: basic plan, silver plan and gold plan. If I select basic plan, the price will be $150 per month with a 7 days free trial and $20 as a sign-up fee. The silver plan will cost $250 per month with 7 days free trial and $25 as a sign-up fee. And the last plan is gold plan, which will cost $300 per month with a 7 days free trial. Now for this one, I have not added any sign-up fee. We are going to offer a 7 days free trial, and after that $300 per month for the SEO services. So I have created 3 different plans, which is nothing but a variable product. If I select this plan, add to cart and go to view cart, you will see that the initial payment will be $0 as we have not set up any sign-up fee, and after 7 days they are going to make a payment of $300 per month for this SEO service gold plan. So this is an example of a variable subscription product. So I'm going to show you how you can install this plugin and create simple and variable subscription product in WooCommerce. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can install and use the YITH WooCommerce subscription plugin, which will cost you $199.99 per year for a single website. This plugin also has a free version. So I have shown you how you can install and use free and premium YITH subscription plugin. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. In another video, I have shown you how you can install and use Sumo subscription for WooCommerce plugin. This plugin will cost you only $49. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. And in this video, I have shown you what are the features in Sumo subscriptions plugin. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's see how we can create a simple and variable subscription product in WooCommerce using the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo of WooCommerce website. And now we are going to install the WooCommerce Subscriptions plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. I have already downloaded the plugin, so I'm going to upload the plugin. So click on upload plugin and browse the plugin file. I have it on desktop. Click on install now. Click on activate plugin. So the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel under WooCommerce, you will see settings. Let's go to settings. And here you will see the tab subscriptions. Click on it. These are the basic settings of this plugin. The button text will be add to cart. Place order button will be place order. The subscriber default role will be subscriber. Inactive subscriber role will be customer. $0 initial checkout. If you want to enable reminders, then you can enable the reminder and it is going to send a reminder 3 days before the expiration. You can change this number from here. If you want to enable manual renewal, You can accept the manual renewal also. Auto renewal toggle button, you can enable it from here. You can also accept early renewal payments. So these are going to be the basic settings of this plugin. These are pretty simple settings. You can go through these basic settings. Let's go to products under WooCommerce and click on add new product. We are going to create a simple subscription product first. Let's say you are running yoga classes or any other classes for which you're going to create a monthly subscription plan. So I'm going to name it as, let's say, yoga classes. It can be anything where you want a recurring payment. And below that you have product description. I'm going to add product description. So this is going to be the product description. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it as the short description also. Now here you will see the option product data. Under product data, click on the drop down and select simple subscription. And this is going to be a virtual product. You are not going to ship any product to the customer's address. Here going to add the price for the subscription. I'm going to add a price of $150 every month. You would see other options here: every day, every week, every year, or every month. So I'm going to select every month. If you click on this drop down, you will see other options: every second month, every third month, or every fourth month. Right, so I'm going to set it to every month. Below that you have stop renewing after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You will see different options here. 24 months. Let's say you want to continue it for 12 months, and after 12 months you want to disable it. So you can select stop renewing after 12 months. If you want it for unlimited period, you can select this option. Do not stop until cancel. If you want to set up a sign-up fee, you can also set up a sign-up fee. I'm not going to set up sign-up fee right now. I'll show you how does this work. And free trial will be, let's say, for 7 days. Here you will see another option: 7 weeks, 7 months, or 7 years. Or you can also set it to 1 week, let's say, or 1 month, or 1 year. In this case, I'm going to set up free trial for 7 days. If you want to add a sale price, you can also add a sale price. Right, so we have got the title, product description, then pricing and short description. In the right hand panel, you can add product image. So I'm going to select browse the product image. I have one sample image here. If you also want to add product gallery, you can add product gallery, and you can also create product category. I'm going to create a category, let's say subscription. So this is going to be a subscription product. Then we have product tags. You can also add product tags. Right, let's click on publish and let's see how does this look. The product is published. Let's open it. And this is how it is going to look. This is the product image, title. This is the price, $150 per month with a 7 days free trial. Then we have the short description that we added, and here we have add to cart, and we can increase the quantity that I don't want. So let's go back to product and go to inventory, and let's check this option: limit purchase to 1 item per order, so that no one will be able to increase the number of quantity. Let's go back, refresh it, and now you will see that number is gone. So I can add only 1 quantity into the cart. So let's click on add to cart, and let's go to view cart, and you will see that the product is added to the cart. $150 per month with 7 days free trial. So as of now, they are not going to make any payment. You will see the cart total is 0, and after 7 days they are going to make a payment of $150. You will see the first renewal on December 17, 2025. So after 7 days they are going to make a payment of $150. If you want to add a sign-up fee, you can also do that. Let's go back, and here I'm going to add a sign-up fee, let's say $15, and update it. Let's open the product page again, and now here you will see $150 per month with a 7-day free trial and $15 sign-up fee. If I refresh the cart, you will see the information, the same information is there. And now this time you will see a subtotal of $15. So they will need to make a payment of $15 as a sign-up fee. And after the 7 days trial, they will need to make a payment of $150 per month. Right, so this is a simple subscription. Now we are going to create a new product with variable subscription. So let's click on add new product. Right, let's go to the cart, and I'm going to remove this from the cart, and let's close all the other windows. Right, we're on the add new product page, and let's say I'm going to add a new product which is SEO services with a variable subscription, and I'm going to create 3 different plans for the SEO services. The first plan will be, let's say, basic plan, and price will be, let's say, $150 per month, and I'm going to offer some services in this plan. The second plan will be, let's say, silver plan. Price will be $200 per month, and third plan will be, let's say, gold plan. Price $300 per month. All right, so we are going to offer 3 plans or 3 subscriptions. I have added some simple description here. However, you can add detailed information about the features of each plan, what you're going to offer in basic plan, what features you're going to offer in silver plan and the gold plan. Right, so I'm going to copy and paste the same information in the product short description, and let's add product image also. I'm going to upload one sample image for the SEO services. All right, now under product data, I'm going to select a variable subscription. So this is going to be a variable subscription product. Let's click on attributes here, and we're going to create different attributes. And let's say the name of the attribute will be plan levels, and we are going to offer 3 different plans. The first plan will be basic plan, the second plan will be silver plan, and the third plan will be gold plan. So these are the attributes that we are going to use. Here you will see the option used for variation. Check that and click on save attributes. All right, now let's go to variations, and we're going to create variations. Click on generate variations based on the attributes that we have added, and you can see that 3 variations are added: the basic, silver and gold. Let's click on basic, and for this the price will be, let's say, $150. What do we have here? 150, 200 and 300. All right, so it will be $150 every month, and do not stop until cancelled. So we're going to offer it for unlimited period. Do you want to add any sign-up fees? Let's say I want to add $20 as a sign-up fees, and there will be a trial of 7 days. You can also add sale price. Let's go to silver plan. This will be $250 every month. Sign-up fee will be, let's say, $25 and 7 days free trial. And after 7 days, they will need to make a payment of $250. Let's go to the gold plan, and price will be $300 per month. And I'm not going to add any sign-up fee for this one, and 7 days free trial will be there. Right, so we have 3 different variations. Click on save changes, and here let's select the category subscription and click on publish. All right, now let's view the product. All right, so this is how the product will look. This is the title, and this is the pricing. $300 per month with a 7 days free trial is the gold plan, and this is the short description that we added. And here you will see plan levels is nothing but the attributes that we have added. So basic plan, if I select basic plan, it is $150 per month with 7 days free trial and a sign-up fee of $20, and it shows the quantity again. So let's go back and go to inventory. Check the option, limit purchase to 1 item per order, update it. Let's go back, refresh it, and that button is gone. Let's select basic. Basic will be $150 per month with 7 days free trial and $20 as a sign-up fee. Silver will be $250 per month with 7 days free trial and $25 as a sign-up fee. And gold will be only $300 per month with 7 days free trial. All right, so I'm going to select, let's say, silver. Click on add to cart and go to view cart. And here you will see $25 as a sign-up fee, and after 7 days they will need to make a payment of $250 per month. Right, let's close it and let's open the product page again, and this time select gold. It is $300 per month with no sign-up fee and 7 days free trial. Click on add to cart, go to view cart, and you will see the subtotal is $0, and after 7 days they will need to make a payment of $300 per month for the gold plan. Go to checkout. You will see that this is the checkout page, $300 per month. Currently I'm not going to make any payment. However, here you will see the option, sorry, it seems there are no available payment methods which supports the subscription. So you will need to enable different payment gateways which are supported by this plugin. Let me show you the list of payment gateways. This is the list of payment gateways which is supported by this plugin. WooPayment, AirWallex, Amazon Pay, Authorize.net, Bankful, Chase Payment, Clover, then eBay, Global Payments, Klarna, Merchant Warrior, mobile payments for WooCommerce. You will also see PayPal payments for WooCommerce, PayPal Braintree for WooCommerce. Then we have Stripe and Square for WooCommerce. So there are multiple online payment gateways which you can install on your WooCommerce website and create subscription products in a WooCommerce website. And the price of this plugin is $279 per year for a single website, in which you will get 30 days money back guarantee also. You can also look for YITH WooCommerce Subscription Plugin, which will cost you $199.99 per year with a 30 days money back guarantee. And the other option is Sumo subscription for WooCommerce, which will cost you only $49 for a single website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.